going upstairs. I want to see this Xbox area.
It was $5.
Look at this cute little seat. Isn't that nice? Made out of skateboard. Oh, let's go over here first and get a dog from the dog house. So this is the SeaPlex area. It's used for a variety of things. If you were with us last night, the glow party was in here. Right now the kids are having dodgeball on one side and it looks like soccer on the other side. Up above you see the Xboxes up there, ping pong and table tennis on the other side. There's one over there for the hot dogs. Here's some of the little cars that are charging up right now. The bumper cars. And you see outside, it's not too good out there right now for cruising. But that's okay because there's plenty to do inside. Today is the last day. I have to get off the cruise tomorrow. No, I wish I was on what they call them back-to-back. But I'm not. Not this cruise. So the kids kind of got it locked down, so I'm gonna try my best not to really get a lot of faces in there. I don't like to record people's faces. But this is the SeaPlex Dog House. You can get all kinds of hot dogs. Yes, I love Oasis class. I've been on there about 6 times. No bowling. That's Norwegian. Here's the dog house, Lillie. Try the smokehouse. I'm gonna try the smokehouse. That's the young man back there preparing everything for us. See that weather? You want me to try the Coney Island? It's regular. They don't close till 9, so maybe I'll come back over and try the Coney Island another day. But it's right inside of the SeaPlex area. And it's free. Get one and, which one is that?
The German.
Oh, okay, that looks good. The German looks good too. Is the smokehouse really, spicy?
Smokehouse?
No, okay, I'm gonna try the smokehouse. Yes, and I'll have it with, so you all see this looks pretty good, doesn't it? The toppings. Yes, Bayonne, New Jersey.
You have some toppings?
Onions and green peppers, red peppers, and then where do you get the ketchup and mustard? Oh, okay, great. Thank you so much for being here. Appreciate you. That looks good.
Jerry, what do you want on yours? Jerry.
That's mine, y'all. Yummy.
Everything except what?
What's that over there? Mayonnaise? Coleslaw?
All potatoes and coleslaw. Potato salad?
I'll take coleslaw. Thank you.
Hi. 2 Coney Islands.
Okay, here you go. That's my meal for now.
And on
Over
one
there
I'd
is
like
ketchup
the,
and mustard, stuff like that.
peppers and onions and mustard.
Okay. So, we're going to get our hot dog together here. And oh, by the way, here's one of the soda machines. Okay, Coke products. So if you have the soda package, this is what you would use. You put your drink on this right here. Right here. Right here it has a sensor. So you can't use this video kind of cup. You have to have a cup with the sensor that push your flavor you want up here. And it dispenses your soda. And the soda cup, that's how somebody with one. This is how it looks right here. See that pink thing on that guy's table? I'm just going to show them how your cup looks. Is that okay?
Oh, sure.
That's how the cup looks for the soda machine. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. Okay? So I'm going to scope down right now and come back in a few minutes. As soon as I finish this lovely dog right here, we'll be back on, okay? Thanks for rolling with us, sister. Appreciate the hearts. And thank you guys for tuning us. Yep, you got to carry your cup around with you. That's the price you pay.